Prime Minister Narendra Modi has described India and America as natural partners as he held the first in-person meeting with Vice President Kamala Harris at the White House, during which they decided to further cement the Indo-US strategic partnership and discuss global issues of common interest, including threats of democracy, Afghanistan, and the Indo-Pacific. India and America are natural partners. We have similar values, similar geopolitical interests, Modi said in a joint media appearance with Harris on Thursday, the first ever person of India origin to be elected as the Vice President of the United States. Noting that India and the US are the largest, oldest democracies, Modi said that two countries share values and their cooperation is also gradually increasing. Both the leaders appreciated that the bilateral relationship is on a sound footing. Foreign Secretary Harsh Vardhan Shringla told reporters here while giving details of the meeting that lasted for an hour. This is the first meeting between the two leaders. Harris had earlier spoken with Modi over the phone in June during the COVID-19 crisis in India. You are the source of inspiration for so many people across the world. I am completely confident that our bilateral relationship will touch new heights under President Biden and your leadership, Modi told Harris. Later in a tweet, Modi said, "Glad to have met VP Kamala Harris. Her feat has inspired the entire world. We talked about multiple subjects that will further cement the India-US friendship, which is based on the shared values and cultural linkage." The two leaders were wearing the mask as they both spoke in front of a battery of full reporters from both India and the US. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has met his Australian counterpart Scott Morrison here ahead of the first in-person Quad meeting to be hosted by US President Joe Biden and discussed a broad range of issues of bilateral, regional and global importance, including the Indo-Pacific.
महीने पहले आपके साथ टेलीफोन पर विस्तार से बात करने का मुझे मौका मिला था और बहुत ही आत्मीयतापूर्ण और बहुत ही स्वाभाविक तरीके से आपसे जो संवाद करने का मुझे अवसर मिला वो मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा और मैं इसके लिए बहुत आपका आभारी हूँ। और वो समय था जब भारत कोविड की दूसरी लहर से बहुत ही पीड़ित था, बड़ा संकट था। लेकिन उस समय जिस प्रकार से आत्मीयता से आपने भारत की चिंता की, जो शब्द व्यक्त किए और जो सहायता के लिए हाथ बढ़ाया, इसके लिए मैं फिर एक बार हृदय से आपका आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। आपने एक सच्चे मित्र की तरह बहुत ही संवेदना भरा और सहयोग का संदेश दिया था। उस समय अमेरिका की सरकार, कंपनीज और इंडियन कम्युनिटी सभी मिलकर के भारत की सहायता के लिए एकजुट हो गए थे।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Joe Biden met at the Oval Office in the White House. The two leaders gave a clarion call to write a new chapter in the fight against COVID-19, climate change, and to ensure stability in the Indo-Pacific region. Mr. Modi praised the role played by President Biden and the United States in tackling the challenges of COVID-19. He underlined the importance of a strong and vibrant Indo-US ties for a better world. President Biden said that the two nations have a shared responsibility to democratic values, commitment to the welfare of the people, and family ties. President Biden said that the global community looks forward to the ideal of Mahatma Gandhi as the world celebrates his birthday next week. Prime Minister said Mahatma Gandhi always used to say about trusteeship of the planet. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, and Foreign Secretary Harsh Vardhan Shringla are the part of the Indian delegation. This is the first meeting between the two leaders since Biden assumed office as US President in January this year. The frequency of the high-level visits and the exchanges between India and the US has gone up significantly of late. PM Modi had visited the US in 2019 and then US President Donald Trump visited in India in 2020. The two countries have also held 2+2 ministerial dialogue. On Thursday, Prime Minister held bilateral meeting with United States Vice President Kamala Harris and Prime Minister of Australia and Japan.
आपने भारत में बाइडेन सरनेम के लोगों के सामने अपना डिटेल में जिक्र किया। आपने मेरे साथ भी इस बात का उल्लेख किया था। तो बाद में मैंने काफी कुछ कागजात खोजने की कोशिश की है, कागजात में लेकर के भी आया हूँ। हो सकता है शायद उसमें से कुछ आगे का निकल आए, शायद आपको कुछ काम आए।
Mr. President, you have talked today, spoken in detail about the burden, the Biden surname in India, and in fact, you had mentioned that to me earlier too. Well, after you mentioned it to me, I hunted for documents, and today I have brought along some documents. Maybe we'll be able to take this matter forward, and maybe those documents could be of use to you.
Are we related?
Yes. एक्सेलेंसी, आज की हमारी ये बायोलेटरल समीट, लेकिन मैं देख रहा हूं कि ये दशक 21वीं शताब्दी के तीसरे दशक का ये पहला वर्ष, मैं पूरे दशक की तरफ देख रहा हूं कि आपके नेतृत्व में जो बीज हम बोएंगे, इस पूरा दशक हमारी दृष्टि से बहुत ही भारत और अमेरिका के संबंध में, विश्व के लोकतांत्रिक देशों के लिए एक बहुत ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव ये कालखंड रहेगा, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है।